ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Uthiet upniang jingshai ba im, uso shapo kisngi barim. Kol air ban im na markari, sa shi sen pat to be hangi. Sa shi sen pat kin wen ki klau, sa shi sen pat kin ki ki mau. Kini gidei ki kintien ki ba Myllung Soso Tham, ubalong Myllung ubakrau, haga tho jingruai, Poitri kasi. Ula tho haga kot Poitri ban Kyrsiew Thiah ya ki longdien ki mandien, bat ya ki Pateng ki ban sanangwan. Hakum kani kasngi, ka khat pratarik unok pra arhajar arpo, ka jaj menreu kasi, kalakan mau buram ya ka lengko sengiap jong Myllung Soso Tham, ubala khlat no nagani ka slapertai, prapo snem menshua. Bat shadian pat ya ki jing sneng ki jing krau ki bakan sai tam haduk kata-kata lengba ki jing ruai Poitri ki ba ulat ho haga kot Poitri ka dui taraksiar bat haga Poitri ki sngi barim uhnyo trap ka sorkar jala lengba ka tenat arts and culture ka sorkar jala haga ni ka sngi kala rakhi kan mau buram yauni Myllung dagaba penlong ya ke jingbu sentio hau durmat jong Myllung Soso Tham ubadon haplau jong ke State Central Library Shillong hagabalai Mynta langru dau menteri sorkar uba Alexander L. Heck ubalalong ukongsan harengkat ke jingedon lang jong ki bahayeng hasem jong Myllung Soso Tham ki head officer ketenat arts and culture ki nong yalam jong ka Khasi Author Society ki nong hikai bat ki hina school ki bala syakhot bania don mentalang hagani kesngi la pensyong kun ya kani ke jingkan mau buram ya kalengko sengiap jong Myllung Soso Tham da ki jingshat ki jingruai bat ki jingkren halor ka jing im bat ki jingtrei jong Myllung Soso Tham ban penroi bat ban penrius pa ya ka tho ka pule haga ktien kasi
wadana ka dia ka jing rakhia jawi kan nok tang ka jing pendapat ko kemudian keren bo longsa man kinsa ya aku durang ka Poitri ko krauna kisi baran unyo tang ka mo isu kisi baran la tho haga jing sha kajayan riu ke pondon ramai dina kalau kajayan riu ke pesyong semua benar apa dia tu kena kemegit pai hak orang dah jom injuk kutala lagi ni semua la dia kan mentana luar kecil sangat langsung don telefon ni hasna lapra kalau kecil tu ini apa don kali iwe lo kecil ku bakra tapi apa lagi Jong they have you to follow them ya get to bring the blame two sides of the coin halu tip yang dari wong la da tip yang bring
jingruai he jing shai ni wat so dong puthai jing shai kari nim tip ei. This was an indictment, a conviction that I had to accept. And during one of my vacations, when I came back home and on returning back to my place of study there in Bombay, it was then Bombay, 1976, I made sure that I took back to Bombay kasngi ubrim nyutrap kadui teraksiar and books by other Khasi authors. So he starts with those opening words jingshai niwat sodong pathai jingshai kari ngimtip ei. In this first chapter, which he entitled Kyrsiew, he narrates about what we already have as a people, as a race.
दूसरी ओर थी खासी पहाड़ों की अनोखी प्राकृतिक सुंदरता, जिसने उनके मन को बचपन से ही मोह लिया था। जब वे बालक थे, तब हमेशा समय मिलते ही वे खासी पहाड़ों में घूमने चले जाते। गांव की यही प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य उनके मन को आनंद से भर देती थी।
Through his genius and creativity, he produced some of his classics of the Khasi literature, which in turn have rendered great credibility of honor to the Khasi language, particularly in the field of the poetry and fables. And I must say that the Khasi literature would not have reached in its present height had it had not been for the mighty contributions of Soso Tham. His name sits on the highest pinnacle among the literary towers and stand head and shoulder over the other Khasi poets. And happy that the government has taken this initiative to commemorate the 80th death anniversary with the support of his family members, and I hope that this will continue in the years to come. Although his physical presence is not with us, yet his spirit and name live on forever through a legacy he left for the Khasis and us all.